How to download and install Chase Bank mobile banking app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install Chase Bank mobile banking app on your device. For this, you want to open the Play Store app if you're on your Android device. If you are using iOS device, then open App Store. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Chase mobile banking app. Out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. Here, if you want more details on this app, tap on About this app option and you get all the required information from here. Scroll down and you will get the app info such as version, download size, required OS and app permissions. Now, if you want to download this application, go ahead and tap on the Install option. Once you do that, the downloading will begin. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. After the downloading has been completed, it will be installed on your device. Simply tap on the Open option, log into your account, and then you can start using the Chase mobile banking app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.